Hi guys, if you want to be successful and looking for the most easiest and effective way to success, this video is for you. In this fast-paced world where everyone is running behind success, more than 98% of the people are lacking one basic action which I'm gonna tell you in this video. इस वीडियो में मैं हवा में बात नहीं करने वाला हूँ, so watch it carefully to understand the deepness of the basic action which is scientifically tested and proven by top universities of the world. Let's begin. It doesn't matter how successful or unsuccessful you are right now, but the thing which matters is whether your habits are putting you on the path towards success or not. Before knowing about the basic action which you need to perform to become successful, just understand a basic concept. Winners and losers have same goals. You must know that every successful and unsuccessful people have same goals. Every Olympian wants to win a gold medal, every student wants to crack entrance exam, and every entrepreneur wants to make a $1 billion business. If both winners and losers have same goals and same level of ambition, then what makes one of them getting success and another getting failure? Well, the answer is quite simple. Most of the people focus on goals instead of systems. Most of us has convinced ourselves that great success requires great action, whether it is losing weight, building a business or cracking an exam. We put pressure on ourselves that if we want to be successful or want to achieve a particular goal, then we have to make some huge changes in our daily routine and make some big improvements. Stop. This is not the right way to get succeed. The right way, the scientifically tested and proven way to success is improvement by 1% every day. For example, if you are a student and studies 2 hours a day, then according to this principle of 1% improvement, tomorrow you have to study 2 hours, 1 minute and 12 seconds. And day after tomorrow you will have to study 2 hours, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. It's quite simple, na? Sometimes improvement by 1% is not even noticeable, but it can be far more meaningful in the long run. If you improve yourself 1% every day for 1 year, then after a year you would be 38 times better than what you are right now. If you want to be successful, you just need to do some small changes in your daily routine and just need to improve yourself by 1% every day. As it is rightly said, success is the product of our daily routines, not once in a lifetime transformations. If you could not believe the power of small changes, just listen to this real life incident of success. From 1908 to 2003, in 95 years, no British cyclist had won a single medal in Olympics, and they were supposed to be the bakwas cyclists ever in the world. In 110 years, no British cyclist had won the biggest race, Tour de France. Their performance was too bakwas that top bike manufacturers in Europe refused to sell their bikes to the British cyclists because they were refused that it would hurt their sales if other professionals would see the grids using their gear. But the fate changed one day in 2003 when the governing body for professional cycling in Great Britain hired Dave Brailsford as his new performance director. Brailsford had been hired to put British cycling on a new trajectory. What made him different from other coaches was his relentless commitment to a strategy that he referred to as the aggregation of marginal gains, which was the philosophy of searching for a teeny margin of improvement in everything you do. Brailsford and his coaches began by making small adjustments you might accept for a professional cycling team. They redesigned the bike seats to make them more comfortable and rubbed alcohol on the tires for a better grip. They asked riders to wear electrically heated overshorts to maintain ideal muscle temperature while riding. As these and hundreds of other small improvements accumulated, the result came faster than anyone could have imagined. Just after 5 years, Brailsford took over. British cycling team started dominating the road and track event. In 2008 Beijing Olympics, they won 60% of the gold medals available, and after 4 years when Olympics came to London, British cycling team made 9 Olympic records as well as 7 world records. That same year, one of the British cyclists Bradley Wiggins win the Tour de France. The next year, one of his teammate Chris Froome won the race, and he would go on winning again in 2015, 16 and 17 also, giving the British team 5 Tour de France victories in just 6 years. During 10 years span from 2007 to 17, British cycling team won 178 World Championship, and they also won 66 Olympic or Paralympic gold medals and 5 Tour de France, which is regarded as the most successful run in the cycling history. How does this happen? How does a team of ordinary athletes become world champions? Well, all this happened with just 1% improvement and teeny changes in all aspects of life. If you also want to be successful in your life, just analyze where do you spend the whole day, do some teeny changes in your actions, and you will find remarkable results in next few months. अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो I have made a lot of small changes in my daily routine in last few days. That's all from my side, friends. If you want to see more videos of this type, do subscribe this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.